Sorry, anong name mo?
Substitution arranged.
Sab! Nako, nauubusan ang hangin yung MVP! MVP, takbo na!
Pahinga muna ako. Nabigla ako eh. Nabigla.
Namumula ka? Tayo ka! Tayo ka!
Ready?
Ilan na ako tubig.
Akala ko ready. Huwag ka minom!
Ito nga, gagamitin. Alam ko na ako saan.
Hey! Number 11.
Gar, nakapasok ka na, Gar!
Nag-i-spy oh? Nag-i-scout?
Nice!
Ingal lang.
Parang naano, bigla ako.
Ingal lang.
Yes!
Sabihin mo sa akin, Jeff. Basta dikitan lang. Kaya.
Good luck. Naka-live. May reply yun mamaya.
Ako na-overhype to eh. Na-overhype.
Na-overpagod.
Na-overhype to eh. Na-overhype. Kaway, 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 kaway. Live ba yan, live? Hindi, reply mamaya.
Sino sentro? Kasi
Kaway, 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 kaway.
Yun o.
Kaway, kaway, kaway.
Saan wala kay?
Mayat si ka.
Bumagbag.
Ay, kumusta?
Ha? Awan, kailangan kapit ako na. May Pacific ka na. Kailangan nga mo.
Ano sa mga? Basta ko.
Bali, gwapo lang tayo.
Kim. On, gwapo.
Tay, apeng eh.
Gwapo lang pa.
Orange team, reminder lang pasabi ng name. Sorry, hindi ko kasi kayo kilala pa. Pag magsasab,
Kaway, rep.
pasabi na lang. Sorry.
Jeff, Lee, Belki, Oma.
Jeff Palmero.
Ano nung bola?
Dikit, dikit! Lamang tayo isa, di ba? Orange, orange, nakasot, orange.
Si Joel. Joel.
Dikit, baba, baba, baba! Taas kamay, taas kamay! Let's go! Nice!
11-11. Sorry, 11-12.
Paul, Romel, Sap, Tristan.
Hands up, hands up! Sige, kaya yan, sige! Nice! Nice catch, nice catch! Sige, sige, sige! Nice! Baba, baba, baba! Hey! Nice, 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 nice!
Sunod.
Jeff.
Sige, labas. Three points! Baba! Sub! Sub niya. Sub, get ball. Sub. Nice! Take! Nice! Hands up! Nice! Sub! Tara!
Nakikat si Romel eh. Sinong paltas kumain? Sino? Tatlo yun eh.
Number 10. Thumbs up.
Sino papalitan? Thank you. Yep.
Tingnan mo.
Hindi na siya. All. Sino yan? Joshua. Foul si Hyper timeout. 45 seconds.
Okay na.
Lapit, hoy! Lapit!
Inbound ng Chansi. Number 13. Pass to number 14. Kumira ng test. Wala. Kuha number 22. Number 12. Ayun, pasa kay number 1. For 2 points. Orange.
Bata.
This time, we give the ball. Nasa number 13. 13. Pass to Romel. 13 again. 13. Romel. Layback, no good. Orange ball. Orange again. Oh, Sumame. Foul. Tables time out na, tables time out. Sub in, sub out.
Dahan-dahan ka, uy.
Okay na yan, mawawala lang yan bukas. Ano mo? Okay, back to the ball game. Oh, game. Inbound, orange. Okay, nakuha ni Melo. Number 12, lays up, no good. Okay, nakuha na naman ni Tristan. Tristan, pass break para kay MVP. MVP, hindi nakuha. Out of bounds. Kaninong bola, ref? Kaninong bola? Orange ball.
Tumingin kayo sa kamay.
Okay, number 12. Number 12, dribbling the ball. Okay, number 12, drives in, lays up. There's a foul, ref. Who's foul? Okay. Ulag tayo yung music mamaya na. First throw, number 12. No good. Foul sa ano light? May foul sa light. 1 point para sa orange. Glenn, pass to Joshua. Oops, may sumabit. Sinong foul rep? Yung naka-block. Number 21, foul. First row, Mr. Country. Foul. First row. No good. Second row, Mr. 10. 20. 1 point para sa Clancy. Orange. Inbound ng Orange. Dribbling the ball. Okay. Nice screen. Number 12. Number 12. Oops, there's a foul. Foul si MVP. MVP number 21. Migs, third personal foul mo na yan. Okay, inbound ng Orange. Orange. Pasa na number 12. Oh. Pasa na Mr. Black. Mr. Black. No good. Oops. Glenn dribbling the ball. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Pasa. So yun, ang nagawa ng Orange ball. Foul. Out of bounds.
Sino pa?
Ala, out of bounds lang.
Si Paul lang nakilala niyo.
Big pass kay Romel. Romel, wala na. Uy, wala block. Foul. Foul number 21. First throw, Romel. No good. Oh, stop. Sabi about Orange ball. Alright. Second throw, number 5 from Clancy Group. For 1 point, no good. Rebound, Orange ball. Orange keeping the ball. Number 22, drive in the center, lays up. No good. Nakuha na naman ng Orange. For 3. Pupukol na na! No good pa rin, Orange pa rin! Orange again! No good again, okay! Oh! Pass pa kay MVP! MVP nag-iisa! No good! Oops! Number 9! Wala pa rin! Sobrang alat, parang itlog! Number 12! Oy! What a nice block! Okay, bola ng Orange.
Nice day.
Sabi sa out. Romel. Oh, ito pa ng Orange.
Di ko na.
Tristan dribbling the ball. Romel. No good again. Nakuha ng Orange. Wala naman Tristan, papasa kay Joshua. Wala pa lang. Nakuha ni Romel for 2. No good again. Rebound na number 22. Ang big man ng Orange, number 12. Number 12. Oops. Drives it. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 9. Warning for penalty. Clancy team. Lagyan mo ng foul. Sub in, sub out. Orange and Clancy. Pasok. Okay. Game ball. Orange inbound. Number 16. 16 looking for his teammate. Number 8. Pasok sa number 16. Manalo pasok sa gitna. Wala nice play. Oops. Nakuha agad ng Orange. Out of bounds. Bola ng Clancy. Number 9, Glenn of Clancy. Pasa kay Romel. Pasa na namin ng 11. No good. Joshua. For 2 points para sa Clancy. Orange ball.
Time out kami.
Time out. Number 16. Pasa number 8. Number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound ni... Nakuha na naman Clancy, nakuha lagi ng Orange for 2. Rebound again number 26, nakuha ni Joshua. Romel rising for 2, may kasamang foul. Foul si number 8, Black. Time out yung Orange team.
Panay reklamo rip.
Dikit na dikit yung laro natin ngayon. 2 puntos lang yung lamang.
Warningan mo lang para
Warning for penalty, Clancy team. 4 na team fouls. Back to the ball game. Tapos na yung timeout. Okay, back to the ball game. First throw ni Mr. Romel. Wala. Bola ni Mr. Drake. Mr. Drake, pinasa kay Romel. Romel in the middle line. Ayun, wala pa rin buwan ng orange. Orange, number 5, pass to number 16. Number 16, dribbling the ball. Pinasa sa ilalim. Ilalim, looking for his teammate. Number 12, 4-3. Lumabas! Kinuha naman ni Romel. Pasa kay Glenn. Glenn, dribbling the ball, looking for his teammate para kay Joshua. Joshua, drives in. Good. Number 11. Oh, good. Nakuha ng orange ball. What a nice play by Romel. Pass to Joshua. Oops. Loose ball. Number 11 for 2 points. Nilinisan yung ring. 2 points. 26-26. Deadlock 26 para sa Orange versus Clancy. Number 12. 12 in roll pass to number 16 for 3. Lides. No good. Out of bounds. Bola ng Orange. Okay, Orange drives, lays up. No good, rebound. Nakuha ni Joshua. Rio. Number 12 lays up. Pasa. No good. Bola ng Orange. Orange. Number 12 for 3 again. Yes, for 3. 3 sa dark. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding. Lays up for 2. 8 pa ng Orange. Score. Number 16. 16 for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Okay, Orange for 2.
Grabe ah.
Orange for 2. 28-31. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball for his teammate. Pass to Romel. Oh, what a loose ball. Loose connection para kay MVP. Orange ball.
Bay, balik mo lagi ka, bay.
Number 12 dribbling the ball. Number 12 dribbling the ball, looking for his teammate. Pass to number 36. 36 drives in. For 2 points, no good. Number 11 dribbling the ball. Number 5 Romel. Romel dribbling the ball, looking for his teammate. Pass to Glenn. Glenn, oops! Foul sa baba.
Pagpinig ka man na. Ha? Pagpinig ka man na.
Foul ng Orange. Dark. Okay, nakuha ng Orange. Oh, 15-31. Orange for 2. Yes, for 2. 2. 33-28. Lamang ang Orange team, number 9. Pass to Romel, pass kay MVP! No good to you, but what a nice save by Joshua! 30-33. Lamang pa rin ang 3 points ang Orange. Number 12 winning the ball. Number din ni Molo, inaabangan ni Miguel. Miguel na MVP. Number 12, pass to number 16. Wow! What a nice goal for 2 points para sa Orange. Reserve, mamaya pag dead ball.
Pag dead ball ba? After the ball.
Glenn. Okay, number 10. Oh!
Okay, sub daw, sub.
Substitution! Sub out! Sub in foul out. May foul ba yan? Wala. Loose ball lang, loose ball. Loose ball lang, loose ball. Okay, foul para Joshua. Pasa kay Glenn, number 9. MVP drives! Pinasa ka number 11. 4-2, no good! Rebound ng Orange team. Nakuha ni Kuya Glenn. Glenn, pumapalakpak si MVP. MVP, pakinggan nyo! Good for 2 para sa Clancy. Orange, number 12, dribbling the ball. A nice screen, number 22. Number 12. Oops! Pasa sa number 16 for 3! Yes! Sapul na sapul, wasak yung net. Loose ball, bola ng Orange team. Okay, 22 passes on. Number 5 lays up. No good. Rebound na naman ng Orange. Oh my God! And 1.
Tatalang na ganyan, between.
Sinong foul?
Between ako.
11. Number 11. Okay. My bonus goes to number 22. Oh, number 11. Oops! Okay, wala pa rin yung number 10. Number 10 drive. Loose. Okay, kira ka na. Pasa kay Romel. Nice. Good for 2 para sa Clancy. Orange. 4-3. Goal in number 16. Foul number 9. Time out para sa Clancy team. Time out. Time remaining 6 minutes and 22 seconds.
Kawai, mga table.
Two fouls para sa Clancy at isa naman para sa
Tambay?
Tambay. Para sa Clancy at 40 naman para sa Orange. Back to the ball game. Okay, start ball game. Number 12, number 16. 12 again. 4-3. No good. The ball again on Orange. Orange team. 4-2. Yes, for 2 points. Clancy with the ball. MVP, titira na trash! No good, niluwag. Kuha naman ni Joshua. Joshua for 2. Number 12, ng Orange, drew the ball. Melo. 12. Pass to number 16. 16. Pass to gitna. 3 seconds violation. Glenn getting the ball. Pass kay Romel. Romel number 5. Number 5. Number 9. Number 9. Number 10. No good. Number 10 again. Number 10 for 2. 38-42.
Time out, Orange.
Inball na. Reserve lang yan. Pag dead ball. Number 16. 16 for 3. Yes, sir. Timeout para sa Orange team. 38-45.
Diba sudah finals?
Lamang ang Orange team.
Sino pa nawa? Kalaban.
Music.
Forefront ano?
Ay, putra, yes. Huwag mo siya nilakasan mo eh. Yung mga buto mo, yung mga palakpakan, yung...
Pinapatugtog ni LJ.
Wala tayong 24, no? Hindi tayo nag-ano ng 24. 24 shot lock.
Ayaw nga pala.
Tinubos ata ng anak ng COVID.
Blue ball, nakashot sila.
3 points ni Kuya. Natay kayo.
Clancy's ball. Inball ang Clancy. Number 13. Pass to number 9. 13 again. Pass kay Romel. Number 11. MVP. Pass kay number 9. Number 9. Glenn over his teammate. Pass to number 13. Romel. Number... Good. Okay, bola ng Orange. Number 12. 12. Pass to number 16. Easy 2 points para sa Orange team. Clancy's ball, number 13. Number 5. MVP for 3. No good. MVP again. Pasa kay number 9. Easy 2. 40-47. Pito ang lamang. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12 again. After number 16. Number 16 for 3. No good. Rebound pa rin sa Orange ball and 2 points. Romel, pasa naman kay MVP. MVP, no good. Orange ball. Orange ball, number 12, dribbling the ball.
Sub ka.
Oh, reserve.
After ng pag dead ball.
Oh, nakuha number 2. Number 16, for 2. No good, nakuha na naman ni Joshua. Number 5, Romel, lays off, good for 2 points. Okay, number 5. Fast break para number 16. Easy Bawe, 2. Number 10. May pido ay rep. Line ball. Sub in, sub out.
Bola.
42-51, lamang ang orange team. Number 25. Number 25. Passes sa gilid. Nakuha agad. Nakuha ni Romel. Romel, okay. Nakuha na naman ni Mr. Torres. Number 10. Number 10. Black by Glenn. Orange ball again. Number 25. Number 25. Pass. Oops. There's a foul. Who's foul, Rip? Number 11. May foul ka. Light. 3 fouls. Team 3 fouls ang Clan C. Okay, orange ball. Oops, nakagawa. Nakuha na naman ang orange. Number 10, Mr. Torres, pupuko naman 3. Hindi pala, papasa kay Pamero. Number 7, oops, may pito. 3 seconds violation. Bola ng Clan C team.
Kanina gana ni Manong ko. May laki.
Milky.
Milky.
Number 9. So Romel. Romel for 3. Yes, sir. 45-51. 6 points lead ng orange team. Palmero, number 7. Drives for 2. No good. Nakuha na naman ni Joshua. Romel again. Romel drives in. Number 13. Yes, sir. 47-51. Konti lang ang lamang.
Apat.
Umaalpas na yung Team Clancy. 4 na lang ang lamang. Orange ball. Number 25. Pass to number 10. Hanap ng kaibigan. Ayun, number 25. Number 25. Give me the ball.
Hindi ba magkano yung shot clock natin? Okay.
4-3. Three again, no good. Nakuha ng orange team. Time out para sa Clancy team. May time out pa ng isa ang orange. Sa Clancy wala na.
Good job, Rep!
52 minutes remaining.
Shout out!
47-51. Lamang ang orange.
Saan? Oo.
Next game,
Oo,
lagyan din
namukhaan
ng
kita
ano,
nun.
shot clock.
Yung sasakyan mo na mukha ko.
Huli na, wag na muna ngayon.
Hindi.
Kulang sa tao eh. Yung wala silang laro.
Iba bang
dapat yun
control yun? Ibang control? Ah, okay.
O, turuan
Ay.
nyo. Next game na, next game.
Oo, next game, light na.
Kuya, reserve timeout kami pag nakashoot sila, ha?
Reserve timeout.
Wala na timeout ang Clancy, ha?
Orange ball. Oops, there's a foul. Timeout, orange. Timeout.
Warning for penalty. Warning ka na din for...
Four fouls na ako.
Warning for penalty na yung... Warning for penalty na
Bakit yun? Nag-reserve sila ng timeout. Wala na timeout?
Wala na.
Wala na.
Back to the ball game. Bola ng orange. Orange looking for the teammate. number 7. Foul, Joshua.
Penalty.
Penalty na penalty.
Mga apat.
Sub in, sub out. Penalty. No good for the first throw. Second throw for the Orange Boys. For 2, no good, number 11. Passing in Romel. Romel drives. Passing to Lana, Agawan. Oh, there's a foul for the referee. Out of bounds. Kaninong bola? Clancy Boys. Bola ng Clancy Boys. 31 seconds remain. Romel. Number 11. Pass to Johnson. Oops, my foul. Foul. Number 10, first row. Sabat.
Lee. Nice game.
Okay, second throw in Joshua.